Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to autoplay Vimeo videos on your Chrome browser here in 2021. Okay, now let me give you a little bit of history over this. Back in 2016, 17, somewhere around there, Google Chrome decided that they were going to be cutting out autoplay in their Chrome sites. Because I think they were getting a lot of complaints over the fact that, sometimes you'd visit a website and there'd be down the bottom a video blaring away and you'd have to go and try and find it to stop it so you can continue reading the article. And they'd obviously received a lot of complaints over this. So they decided to cut it out altogether. But back then, when I first discovered it, what I did was I actually created a video on how to get around it. We went to a certain website where you could then switch it back on, which I think was the back end of Chrome. And then, once you did that, you're right to go. But then later on, they cut that out altogether, and there was no access to it ever again. So the only way to get around it now is you must mute your video for it to be able to autoplay. And two, you need to make sure you have a play bar or some way to turn your volume button back up. Now, I've also, I'll leave a link down below, not actually a link, it's a code. I'll leave a code down in the description box. And this way, you can use that code to put into your Vimeo code so as you can autoplay your videos. Now, I'll also put one down the bottom for YouTube as well, so as you can use it on YouTube too. Now this one will only be doing it on Vimeo, but that is just so as you can know how to do it for Vimeo, because Vimeo is different, just a little bit different to doing it on YouTube. So I will be leaving the codes down below. Okay, before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Alright, now in this part of the video, I thought I would first of all show you the actual code in which you're going to be needing to embed into your iframe code from Vimeo. Now, let's go and have a look at over here. We've got question mark autoplay equals 1 and loop or and symbol loop equals 1 and symbol auto pause equals 0 and symbol muted equals 1. That's the code we're going to be needing. Now we're going to just shrink that down. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here to Vimeo. Now we're going to go over here and we're going to click on embed. Over here on the left hand side you can see where it says embed. We're going to click on that. And over here to the top right hand part here you can see in this grey box where it says embed code, and click on that. And this will bring up the iframe code that we need. So you can either highlight over the top and right click and hit copy, or you can just hit copy and that will copy the code. Now we're going to go back to this section just here, and I'm going to bring it down a couple of spaces so as I've got a bit of room to work. Now I'm going to be putting the code right here. Now you see where that quotation mark between the number and the quotation mark is? That's where we're going to be needing to place our code. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight over the top of this particular code just here, the question mark autoplay equals 1. I'm going to copy all of that and I'm going to place that between the number and the quotation mark, and then I'm going to hit Control V. Now that pasted that straight into where I wanted to go. Now I'm going to highlight over the top of this. We're going to go Control C or right click and copy, either or, both ways work. And we'll get rid of that, and what we're going to be doing is going over to our website. Now I have already had this pre-set up and ready to go, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you the fact that we are in an area where this is the classic editor, not the block editor that they now have. Now I haven't tried this in the block editor, but if we go over here, if you want to go back to your classic editor, it's really easy to do. all you have to do is go over to plugins, and then I'm going to show you that I have one that's called Classic Editor, and you can get that in the plugin section by adding new and then typing in Classic Editor, and then you can bring that up and you can add that to your site. Now let's go back to where we previously were. Now we're in the visual section right now, and that's exactly where I want to be right this very second, because what I want to do is I want to add a number of X's to this spot right here, and then I'm going to be taking that and putting it in the center. Now next thing I want to do is going over to the text section just here beside the visual and click on that, and you see it's got some code there. Now what I want to do is highlight over just the X's themselves, highlight over the top of just the X's, nothing else, and then I'm going to go Control V, and we're going to be pasting that entire code in there. Now that entire code is placed exactly where we want it. Now if we were to go back to the visual section just here, in just a moment you'll see that it has started playing, albeit muted. So as you can see over here, it's muted and it's playing. As you can see, the little mouse in the background is running around the place and it's doing things. So that is what this one is about. So we can pause that. Now let's update this, or if you haven't already updated it, you can publish it. We're going to wait for this to do its thing, and then we're going to have a look at the video. We're going to open it up in a new tab. Once it's finished, there we are, it's finished, and we can right click there and send that into a new tab. We'll open that up, scroll down, and there is the video auto playing in the background. So if you have like a web page, or you have something like a squeeze page or a landing page where you want to have your video auto playing straight away, and you want people to go, oh, there's a video playing, then you can have that going straight up on mute. And then you can have like a little arrow or something saying unmute, click play and unmute, or hit the volume button to unmute, and then you can have like a little arrow pointing to it if you wish to, so as people know to play it. Now let's go back over here again, and all we have to do is now have that like that. It is as simple as that. Now I just want to let you know that if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. You know, also too, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful to you, because this is something that people need to know how to do if they have like landing pages or squeeze pages, or they have something, a sales page which has a video playing in the background. You want to have something which is going to grab someone's attention, and that's the main reason you want to have this playing. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.